ALTCS covers a variety of services. They cover everything from skilled nursing facilities to assisted living facilities to memory units to group homes, and it also covers in-home benefits. We can apply for the particular person who needs care in any of those circumstances. Arizona is a little bit different than most states. Most states only cover skilled nursing facility or in-home care. One of the better things about ALTCS is that it has such a variety of places where you can place your loved one. You can decide whether your loved one needs a skilled nursing facility, or if they need something less, then we can always apply to one of these other facilities. What you have to be aware of, though, is in Arizona, not every facility is covered by ALTCS. You have to make sure that the facility where you place your loved one has a contract with ALTCS. Think of it like insurance. You have to make sure that your doctor and the hospital is covered by your insurance when you go in for those procedures. Here, we want to make sure that the care home or the home care agency is covered by this, quote, ALTCS insurance in order to make sure that you can effectuate the benefits. In Arizona, a person can qualify for ALTCS and still keep a home. That's about the only asset that a single person is allowed to retain. The problem is ALTCS is going to keep track of every penny they spend on, let's say, your dad's care. And at some point in time, once he passes away, they're going to want to try and recover from that house. So it might not be the best thing to keep a house in a situation where we're dealing with a single person. And if we sell the house, there are ways of protecting some of the funds. Or we may decide that keeping the house is a good thing and just dealing with the lien later on down the road. That's a case-by-case analysis. When we are dealing with a well spouse and a sick spouse, a married couple, then we can keep the house and save the house in the well spouse's name. And here in Arizona, unlike other states, that's allowed. It's a little bit tricky, but it works. And if we can get the well spouse protected in the house along with a certain amount of assets while we're getting care for the sick spouse, that's a good thing. There's no way to protect assets from nursing homes. If you want care from a nursing home, you're going to pay for that care. When a loved one needs care, their care is either going to be covered with insurance, like Medicare, long-term care insurance, or you're going to privately pay for that care, or you're going to try to get qualified for ALTCS. So if you get qualified for ALTCS, that will help pay for the nursing home care. The question is can you get qualified for ALTCS and still protect some of the resources? A lot of people wonder when you need an elder law attorney. And I would say that if you have a loved one who has been diagnosed with dementia and you know one day long-term care is going to be in their life, you should talk to an elder law attorney sooner rather than later. Or when there's some event that rises up where you know long-term care is going to be needed, you should definitely be talking to an elder law attorney at that point in time. Sometimes, though, people are healthy and they want to plan for the future. If we have 5 good years ahead of us, then that's another good time to talk to an elder law attorney because we can use irrevocable trusts to protect a chunk of the resources down the road.